The Citizen Women's EcoDrive Dress Classic Two-Tone is a compact, elegant option designed for those who favor an easy-to-read, low-maintenance dress watch. The listing highlights Citizen's EcoDrive technology, recharging from any light source so the watch never needs a battery change. Paired with a 26mm two-tone stainless steel case and bracelet, a white dial, and clear markers for legibility. Buyers frequently compliment the watch on its petite, classic proportions that suit formal and daily wear, and many reviewers applaud the convenience of EcoDrive for a small-format ladies' watch because it removes the worry of replacement batteries. Customer feedback on the page generally skews positive. Owners call out the attractive two-tone finish, comfortable fit, and the watch's crisp dial clarity. Negative remarks are mostly about subjective expectations. A few buyers prefer a different bracelet clasp style or a slightly larger dial, and not about outright product failures. As a dressy, easy-to-wear EcoDrive watch from an established brand, the EW1544 53A is commonly recommended for gift purchases or for anyone seeking a durable, battery-free women's timepiece with classic styling. For the most current star rating breakdown, exact bracelet width and other specs, consult the product page we share by links in description box.